Today we're focusing on creating laser engraved notebooks, a project that's fun, straightforward, and can be easily personalized. I've already made plenty of designs, and some of my favorite ones are linked below, including those designed by my wife. In this session, we'll be making a custom map design, so stick around to see how. To create maps, I use a cool website called snazzymaps.com. Click on the Build a Map button at the top and choose a style. For laser engraving, grayscale designs work best. I'm using the grayscale style by Keys Platel as it's great for highlighting streets. After applying the style, pick your size and location. It can be as specific as a neighborhood or as broad as an entire country. I'll be making a notebook with Tel Aviv engraved on it because I really like the uneven geometry of the city. Once you are done adjusting the size and location, you can export the map using the user interface or just take a snapshot like I did. There are a few tricks I like in PowerPoint to process our image easily. First, we can remove the background. Double-click the image and go to Picture Format. Hit Color and then Set Transparent Color. Click a white section of your image and that's it, the background is gone. The next trick will help us crop the image to the right aspect ratio. Create a new rectangle and modify its height and width to match the aspect ratio of your notebook. Mine is A5, which is 14.5 cm wide and 21 cm tall. Place the map onto the rectangle as if it were the notebook. Select both and press Shape Format, Merge Shape and pick Intersect. Enlarge the image so you don't lose too much resolution when you save it. Right click and hit Save as Image. Bring your image into Lightburn and feel free to add any text. I'm using a 10W diode laser and I set the speed to 100mm per second and the power to 60%. I have set the line interval to 0.1mm, which is slightly wider than my laser beam. The image mode I've found that works best is stocky. Make sure your laser focus is correct and that your notebook is aligned with the design. I'm using a cheap camera to do this, but you could also do this by aligning the notebook parallel to the laser head's axis. Press the frame button to double check your design alignment and then hit start. I love this part. Just sit back and enjoy the show. By the way, I removed the light shield because honestly it does so much more bad than good. Even with my air assist, a little cleanup is still needed. Wiping down the engraved area with a dry paper towel will make a noticeable difference. I had a slight hiccup with the laser head getting stuck during the notebook's engraving, and I suspect it's a connection issue. If anyone has an idea what's causing this, I'll be happy to hear about it. Anyway, I just made another one. We're all done. I picked high quality notebooks from Amazon. These are much nicer than the average notebooks and they make for really awesome gifts. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to support my work for free and see more of these, please consider subscribing to my new channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon.